morning. And sabi ko kay Daddy, 5:15 kami aalis because I have to be at UST around 6 a.m. Kasi enlistment namin ni Yana ngayon. So, kailangan namin maaga doon. I'm not yet done. So, I just finished filming for Dala. Kailangan kong kumilos ng mabilis. I'll see you guys later.
Hi vlog! We are so back
We are
at
so
UST.
back. And mamaya stress na kami.
Yes.
Today is our enlistment. Hinihintay namin si Roland. Nawala
Yes,
pa.
Roland.
Where is Roland? Sabi ni Roland mag-vlog ako. So, eto
Ay,
na.
sabi niya?
Oo.
Uy, Roland, manood mo to mamaya. Aga.
So early. Sana tapos na ba yun, like before 12 p.m.
Kaya nga.
Wala kaming choice sa schedule ngayon, guys. Kasi bawal na kaming mamili ng schedule. Roland, ang tagal. Alam mo ba, 6 a.m. pa kami nandito. Ayun siya, oh.
Bye-bye.
This Roland, ayun no, yung naka-black. He's so late. 6 a.m. pa kami nandito ni Yana. Si Roland yung nagpa-late.
Roland, ha?
Ang tagal, Roland.
Wow, new haircut.
Ito yung nagsasabing mag-vlog ako, edi nag-vlog ako.
Uy, ang
Wow.
tagal na talaga.
Umalis kami ng bahay, 5 ano.
Hi, guys.
Hey guys, my number ngayong advising is 40.
I'm 31.
Yeah, say hi guys. Hi.
Hello! Nakikita nila yung totoong anyo ng mga Swiss.
Ito po ang buhay ng irregular student.
Ito kinuhaan pa ng upuan.
Gusto ko na mag-SM North EDSA para mag-Minimals at mag-Uniqlo.
Yes, we will go to Uniqlo. Isa pa. Iba po. Ay, nakita. Oh,
Wala na kaming magawa talaga.
Fourth year na kami. Oh my gosh! Thank you, Rev! That's Rev, guys. Hi!
Hindi siya nag-hi.
Busy yan pag ano.
Dear Prof. Melanie.
Date, July 28, diba? Guys, we're done. Ang aga namin natapos ngayon. It's like 11:30 right now. Usually natatapos tayo 4, 3, like before 5 after lunch. Now we're going to SM North EDSA para i-treat ang aming sarili.
Na para bang serve namin yung...
Iikot kami sa Uniqlo, tapos magto-Toy Kingdom kami, tapos magmi-mini-melts ako. We're gonna have fun. Where? At Mad Marks. Ubus na yung ice cream na gusto ko sa mini-melts. Wala nang chocolate, wala nang Hokkaido strawberry. Mad Marks it is. Pero pwede, yung cup ko, pwede sa paper cup ko.
Pwede naman.
Isa pong single origin espresso na single scoop po.
Dito na lang po.
Here na lang. Coffee hater. Coffee hater right here.
Alam mo, favorite ko pa yung dalawa.
Ito pinaka-least na.
Oh, I love that.
Ang dami kasi naman.
Tissue po ba? Ano ko sa inyo, ma'am?
She got her ice cream na. I ate mine na kanina.
Yana ate her ice cream. She ate
Avocado ice cream. I love avocado.
we're just gonna eat really quick and then we go to Uniqlo.
Yes, we're gonna buy and treat ourselves.
Going to buy trousers. So try naman ako sasakay.
Yay!
Yes.
That's like a good news to me.
Kasi sa Trinoma siya mag-MRT.
Yes.
Thank you po. Mad Marks. I love you, Mad Marks. Please sponsor me.
Ayun na. Ayun na guys, narinig yun.
You guys, you wanna try?
Oh, hell
Never
no.
mind. Mm.
No. Guys, I don't like coffee jelly.
Kahit coffee jelly, ayaw mo.
Ayoko. Pinaka-hate ko yun. Pinaka-ayaw ko yun na dessert.
It is crazy.
Ew. coffee ice cream. Like, actually, who eats that? Wait, joke lang. It's a Mary Chan. Guys, you should try the chilled taho sa Cartimore. As in, the best. Ano siya, hindi siya matamis. Tapos, ang mura niya lang. For 80 pesos, you get like a bowl of taho. And only refill of the Arnibal.
Yana's always here.
Yes, I'm always there. I'm like the suki. I'm like the returning customer.
Kilala ka na.
Oo.
Pati si tita.
Oo, sila. Actually, pati tatay ko, oh my gosh, nabudol ko rin.
I don't like the fit and so I'm not getting it. It's nice but hindi lang siya so. Hey guys, I'm actually home kanina pa. Naligo lang ako kasi sobrang feeling ko ang lagkit ko na. So pagka uwi ko, inayos ko lang yung binili kong damit kanina. Napakita ko na ba? I got the purple handy top kasi ang ganda nung color. Like, I think it's a new color. But I have the gray handy top na kasi. And then, nakita namin ni Yana yun kanina. Tapos sabi ko, ooh, this color's nice. So I had to get it. It's already 6:16 p.m. and I'm actually hungry. I think today was a productive day. Also, kanina nag-ikot kami ni Yana sa Toy Kingdom. Hindi ko alam if naririnig niyo ako kasi umuulan na right now. Nasa SM kami ni Yana kanina. Like, SM yung una namin pinuntahan. And then, kumain muna kami. Kumain kami sa food court. And then, after namin kumain, I got Mad Mark's ice cream. Kasi ubos na yung ice cream sa Mini Melts. As in, wala na. After ko kumain sa Mad Mark's kasi ako lang yung nag-ice cream. Nag-Uniqlo na kami. And then, after Uniqlo, pumunta kami sa Toy Kingdom and walang scrunchies doon. So, puro Taba squishies. And I'm not a fan of Taba squishies. So, hindi ako bumili. Tapos may tickles din doon pala sa food court. So, tinignan namin yun. Pero kasi, ayoko yung type ng squishy na nandun. Well, may butter squishy. Pero hindi pala ganun ka-satisfying yung butter squishy. So, hindi na ako bumili. Then, after nun, sabi namin, okay, since walang scrunchies dito, tawid tayo sa Trinoma. And since doon din naman kami sasakay pa uwi, kasi nag-commute kami pareho pa uwi. We went to Toy Kingdom na agad. And pagkapasok namin sa Toy Kingdom, naka-line up lahat ng squishies. As in, pagkapasok nyo na, Toy Kingdom, Toys R Us. Pagkapasok nyo ng Toys R Us, naka-line up lahat ng squishies. Tapos, yung isang gusto ko na fidget toy nandun, which is yung Clickies. But oh my god, it was so expensive. Hindi ko rin siya binili. Pero ang mahal niya, like, for one thing, hindi ko alam ang tawag doon. Basta yung keyboard na, it's 199 guys, for that. Tapos yung apat, 699. I just changed my sheets, guys. New bed sheets. It's so comfy. So I'm excited. Nahigaan siya. And it's green. I love color green. Like 3:26 and I'm going to film for TikTok. But I'm going to do my skincare first. And as usual, I'm using this toner. This Pond Serum na natanggal ko yung wrapper around it kasi akala ko tinatanggal siya. And then itong Original Moisturizer. After I film for TikTok, I am going to walk in the treadmill. Kati ng likod ko. Alam niyo, ito yung ayoko kapag sa damit. Yung tag, yung parang tag sa likod. Lagi ko yung pinapagupit kasi nangangati yung likod ko. Alam niyo, hindi ko alam kung may sira ba tong tingin nito kasi ang onti nang nakukuha niyang serum. Like, hindi niya kailangan pa ulit-ulit ko siyang kiniklik. I also ordered 6 fidget toys. Bumili ako ng coconut oil squishy. Bumili na rin ako ng Clicker kasi ang tagal ko na naghahanap ng Clickers. Clickers, Maltose, coconut oil, tapos yung yung parang Orbis yung nasa loob, tapos may net. Yung ginaganon. Oh my gosh, guys. I just finished filming. And look at my table. Oh my god, it's so makalat. And Hindi ko pa ito nalilinis. Ang sakit na ng labi ko kasi nag-swatch ako ng ilang lipis. Like, all of my pink lippies, sinuwatch ko sa bibig ko. Ngayon, ang sakit ng bibig ko. But, it's okay. I'm done. I'm done. And now, I'm going to rest. Kasi parang nag-workout yung kapatid ko. So, baka di ako maka-workout. Okay, guys. Oras na para mag-ayos. At kanina pa ako nakatunganga dito. Nagsi-cellphone. So, ayusin ko na to. Tatapon ko na to. Expired na to. Like, ang tagal na to sa akin. Bago pa ako nag-start ng content creation na sa akin na yan. Kasi di ko siya ginagamit. Okay. Itong BLK mascara ko nagda-dry na. Ginagamit ko na lang siya for freckles. At bukas, maglilinis ako ng brushes. Tapos i-edit ko yung ibang videos na film ko. Kailangan ko nung gusto ko bumili ng parang cart na lalagyanan ng stuff. Kasi hindi na, medyo napupuno na tong makeup drawer ko. Gusto ko na tanggalin makeup ko kasi naligo pa yung kapatid ko. So, mamaya ko pa siya matatanggal. Hindi ko pa tinanggal lashes ko. Guys, nainis ako kasi nga nag-lashes ako para hindi na ako mag-mascara. Kaso, kapag di naman ako nagmamascara, pag naka-lashes, bumababa siya. So, no choice. Ganun din yata sa ibang tao. Dumating na yung dalawang squishies na in-order ko. I mean, dalawang fidget toys na in-order ko. So, let's unbox. Ito yung squishy dumpling. I got a random color na squishy dumpling. Tapos, kumuha ka lang parang may Orbeez sa loob na nagpa-pop out sa net. Ito lang. I'm so excited. Yes. Ay, hindi Orbeez yung naman ito. Ano to? Parang slow rising siya. Yan o. Very satisfying ko. Hindi siya Orbeez. Ngayon tayo magkakaalaman ng kulay laman ito. Okay. It's color pink. I just saw it. Oh my god. Slow rising talaga yung kinuha ko. I love slow rising squishies. I got a pink one. May isa pa akong gusto. Gusto ko yung Orbeez na ganito. Oh my gosh. Parang slime yung nasa loob niya.
Hello guys! We have some squishy. We have a surprise. Dop. There's a squishy dumpling. See those blue? Ate Sandrine,
Ano?
asan yan
Yung?
nakadikit kanina sa dumpling?
Huh?
Yun
Wala na. Tinapon ko na.
ba't mo tinapon?
Wala na yun. Wrapper lang yun. Wala nga yun nga ni.
Instead, do you know what to get?
Ano?
It's the glitter dumpling! This cheese is so big. Back to our video. And we also do something. I just come back. Woohoo! And bye! Thank you for observing the squishies. Squishy.
Hey guys, I'm folding my clothes right now. Ang dami kong kailangan i-fold, so I'm folding.
Hello?
I'm I'm vlogging. Max is flexing his muscles. Hey guys, it's Friday today. It's July 31, I think. July 31, diba? Yeah, I think. And I'm ready. Hintay ko na lang si Maxi. But I'm ready. I wore the Henley top na binili ko ng isang araw. And then, my jorts, it's from Ukay. And then, my shoes, it's from Urban. Then, I'm using this bag from Beyond the Vines. That's my fit for today. We got AM Espresso. Hi. We're at Corner House. We're gonna drink it. I take a picture. Okay.
Ano nga pala pa yung papala dito?
Hindi nagko-connect yung mic ko. My mic's not connecting.
Ha?
Hindi nagko-connect yung mic ko. Ang tagal mo connect. Time to drink. Baliktad yung straw. Stupid. I'm making a mess.
Ang tao. Really good.
What?
It's really good.
The what?
Walang tao.
Yeah. It's a weekday kasi. Hey guys, we're nasa Corner House and Maxi's filming. We got AM Espresso right here. It's so good. One of the best matchas. Influencer in the wild.
Kung pipili kayo na either, sabihin natin ginayuma kayo bigla, tapos napipili kayo na anong mas pipiliin nyo? Mawalan ka ng 2 daliri dito sa kamay or mawalan ka ng 3 daliri pero yung sa paa. Kung ako tatanungin mo, mas pipiliin ko mawalan ng ako, kung kunyari kinulam ako, tas ang choices ko yun, mawawalan na lang ako ng 3 daliri sa paa. Kasi kailangan ko lang naman yung thumb na malaking daliri ko tsaka yung pinky. Hindi ko kailangan yung nasa gitna. Whereas, mas kawawa ako kapag kunyari 2 daliri sa kamay ang mawawala. Kasi kailangan ko yun. Minsan, pakiramdam ko kapag kunyari umuulan ng malakas, naiihilang si Lord. Like, eto talaga yun.
Paano kung tumatae?
Kung tumatae siya, ano yan, snow. O kaya,
Wala naman snow sa Pilipinas.
oh, exactly, hindi tayo we don't deserve shit.
So, puti ang tae nito.
Yes. Puti ang tayo ni Lord. Kung tatanungin niyo ako, kung mas pipiliin kong magkaroon ng either power na gawing solid ang ihi or gawing multicolored ang tae,
Multicolored na tae.
hindi. Solid na ihi.
Why?
Kasi isipin mo, at any given moment in time, pwede ako magbigay ng ice.
Kadiri, tapos yung ihi mo yung ice?
Yes.
Yeah. Sino bibili nun?
Ako.
O,
Ikaw.
lang.
Ikaw. Wala kang choice. Ikaw. Feeling ko kung may ibang kulay ang tae,
It's pink.
ayoko ng pink eh. Baka gutumin ako eh. Kasi mukha siyang strawberry eh.
You don't even eat fruits.
Exactly.
Ba't ka magugutom? Maxi's gonna sing now.
Got to let you know, 'cause I wanna where you are.
Guys, we're at Crosta. We got a hoagie roll and ano yung isa?
Wow.
White ass pizza. Yum.
Oh my God.
Dapat tig-isa kami kaso sabi nung I think she's the owner.
Dapat tig-isa kami pero hindi sila naniniwala na kaya kong ubusin ng isang pizza mag-isa.
Actually, hindi ko kaya nga isa. She's right.
Kaya.
But Maxi can. Thank you po. love Frosta.
Frosta sponsor us.
Wait, I'll take a picture of the food. I don't need this. I'm going to use my hands. Wait.
God.
We already tried this, so alam namin masarap to.
I'm gonna try the condiments kasi wala silang ganito last time. This is fermented chili sauce. Some oil. Oh my god, it's good. That is good. Let's try this para mas may better na siya. Kung may 1 milyong fans ang Frosta, isa ako doon. Kung may 5 fans ang Frosta, isa ako doon.
It's good because of the meatballs.
What?
Masarap siya dahil sa meatballs.
Feeling ko mas masarap siya kung mas juicier konting meatballs. Pero dahil sauced up yung buong tingi niya, masarap na kaagad for me. You should try the chili sauce. No, it's not spicy. It's like slight lang. Super slight. I like it.
Just little bit. It's time to try the wap.
Oh my god, I like it. I like grab. It's like oozing out.
It's good.
I like this one better. Yeah. The burrata Sicilian one was already like okay. It was okay. Honestly, like I enjoyed the pepperoni more than the burrata Sicilian. This one is good.
Wow. Nauna ko sa'yo.
Wow. You see how hunger-inducing this shit is? Nauna ka na maubos kayo sa akin.
Oh, he's really gonna do it.
We both can see feelings aside. Truth be told,
Hey, green lights! Bye-bye!
Pinapaka yung camera eh.
Bye, guys.
Bye, everybody. Nakakat ba yung mic mo? I'll see you in the next memory. I can't wait to see you guys. Y'all take care. Mwah.